This is the most common size of Dorje set as used in the Kathmandu Valley. The bell held in the left hand, the female side, wisdom, and the thunderbolt, the Dorje, the Vajra, male side, means. Most of the time they're silent. The bell is cast in two parts. This part is brass. It contains a face of the goddess who protects and owns the bell. This part is made of bell metal. That's the part that is the bell part. And then there's a free swinging piece of iron here that makes the sound. You can also, of course, strike it. And since it is bell metal, you can make it sing.